Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. You can make one common mistake that can cost you hundreds, even thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video 20V having a Toyota Corolla, that generation here from year 2013 to year 2019. If you guys have one of those, if you need to find where the radiator fan relay is located, you may have up to two of them. Stay with us, we'll explain where they're located depending on the year, engine, configuration. We will explain where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. What's important guys, to always test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to do engine work, transmission, mechanical, body work, anything you can think of practically. On this channel specifically, we'll be making at least 150 to 200 videos about that Toyota Corolla, that generation guys. If you have one of those, we'll be making a video for every single fuse, every single relay. Let's say you're in the middle of nowhere, your car does not want to start, you find out that the fuel pump is bad, you're not getting fuel, you can just search for fuel pump relay, fuel pump fuse really quickly, watch the video, spend a minute or two, replace it, you're back on the road, because the writings on the fuse boxes are very vague and most people will not even know what they mean. So we'll be making videos about every possible fuse and relay in that Toyota Corolla. So let's start on it now. The radiator fan guys, where you can expect to find the relay, we will demonstrate on this generation Toyota Corolla right here. You guys have multiple fuse boxes in that Toyota Corolla, but today we'll work mostly in one. That's right under the hood. So if you open the hood on your Toyota Corolla, facing the engine on the right side right here, you have a fuse box under this cover. Open it. You will see the main engine fuse box that we have a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important guys to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. So guys, for the radiator fan, if you need to find where the fuses for the radiator fan are located, the video will be on the channel. And also, if you need to buy any fuses, relays, parts, tools, radiator fans at a good price, quick shipping, we will guys put links in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. That way you do not waste your money and time. So for the radiator fan, we need to check one relay specifically, and we're talking about this relay right here. That's the one that you will guys need to check. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.